Why is nobody talking about the origin of Igbo Apprenticeship system or Igba boy in Igbo language?
Achonke, Edola Kagana Abonante. Afamefuna. Sir? Izkwanegum.
The history of Igbo Apprenticeship or Igba boy dates back to the Nigerian Civil War, which left many Igbos impoverished. To rebuild their communities, the Igbos created this system as a way to support each other and share opportunities. The philosophy Onyagalanwanneya, meaning may one never leave their brother behind. This philosophy emphasizes the idea that an individual wealth benefits the whole community. The Igbo Apprenticeship system or Igba boy has solely improved the economic situation of the Igbo land. Example, Nnewi, a town in Anambra State, has produced more billionaires than any other town in Nigeria, largely due to this system. When an Igbo business person becomes successful, they often take apprentices to pass on their knowledge and help others succeed. This eventually creates a cycle of wealth creation as each apprentices eventually become their own master and have their own apprentices. In summary, the Igbo Apprenticeship system or Igba boy is a testament to the importance of community support and knowledge sharing. This system is a traditional way of training young people in a business skill. It has 3 stages. The integration stage. The master selects a young boy from the village to assist him in doing business. Second stage is the incubation stage. The apprentice learns the ins and outs of the business, including how to interact with customers and sell goods to them. The third stage is the wealth creation stage. After mastering the trade, the apprentice establishes their own business with the support of their master. They then pass on their knowledge by taking on their own apprentices. This is actually a cyclical process.